I love it when I see people who think they can learn everything they want on YouTube because it's all free. Understandable, there's all kinds of gurus out there who teach you things, but you can spend hours, days, months, even years trying to learn the things that I teach in my classes. So in this one, we're going to go into common mistakes that people actually do when they're selling things online. And for that example, I'm going to use this amateur seller. Now, you might think this guy's not that much amateur because he sold 100 items. That doesn't mean this much. He's doing so many mistakes here, and I want to use him as case in point because of that. So the first thing that I see here is the number one mistake, the name. His screen name. This is just terrible. Why would you call yourself a bunch of different numbers? And it doesn't make sense. So if somebody is selling something, if you're going to a store, just imagine you're going to an actual retail shop to buy something and it had just a bunch of numbers and people asking you, where are you buying this stuff from? Yeah, I'm buying it from Lin 04024. Does that even sound like a store you're going to be proud that you're going to be shopping at? Probably not. But of course, for people who shop on eBay, sometimes they don't care about this. What they care about is the items that they'll buy. So that's not really going to put them off. So when we look at the items that he's selling, there is so many issues with them. We're going to be starting with number one issue. The wooden roller. This is the body massager. And what he actually did here is pretty much he copied and pasted someone else's title right in here, not knowing what this title even means. You might say, well, what's wrong with doing that? What's wrong with doing this is that you are selling something and you're saying NIB and condition is used. This is like the most ironic thing that you can do. NIB stands for, and he didn't even have the time to look it up what it stands for, is new in box. This is not new. This is not in the box. It's used. Furthermore, there was only 3 pictures. He didn't even bother to wash this item. Most likely all those things that you see on here are not actual stains of the product. This product has not been washed. Furthermore, he's taking a picture on one of the most really disgusting looking backgrounds you can imagine. To top it off, he is selling it for $3. Yes, it is cheap. Not only it is cheap, he's telling you that you can make an offer for it. And the shipping fees are whooping $4.85, where it actually costs probably $3 to ship this. Now, when you ship something, you want to do free shipping. You want to work it into the price of the product. People don't like to do math. They don't like to go, let's go ahead, take $4.85 plus $2.99 and see how much it is. It's just an extra step that is just annoying. Not everybody has a calculator. Not everyone is going to go ahead and do this. Every extra step you make your buyer go into the hoops for, the less likely they're going to actually go ahead and buy something from you. So it works out to be $7.84. He could have just put in $7.84 with free shipping. Same price, plus you're not going to get hit on the extra 10% charge for shipping. And that's something that happens if you're adding a shipping fee to it. Well, guess what? He didn't know about this because he didn't bother to find out about those rules. Now, this is just one item. Now, he could have sold it much higher. He could have priced this item at a better price, and somebody would have actually bought it. Plus, there's only 3 pictures. That doesn't even do justice to the product. Now, here is another one. Jessica Simpson woman, sleeveless short, size 4. $2. Shipping is $4.85. The problem with this is the margin is so low here. Going to the post office and trying to ship this, that you are probably going to make almost nothing, and even might actually lose money on shipping and selling this product. So what is the point? There is no point of listing something this cheap. It's just no winning here for you. Yes, you want to dispose of something, you might as well just give it away for free maybe. It's just such a waste of time and space where you could have made more money for this product, and it doesn't look this attractive either. So the prices are way too low for this specific product because there is no profit in it. And sometimes if there is no profit in the product, why bother to list it in the first place? And this picture right here, who would buy this? The first picture is just wrong. It's just not the right one. Now the second picture, yes, this is the picture you want to post in. Most likely it's not really the best picture out there, but out of all the other pictures we can see here, it's better. And he put it on the floor, and you can see all those stains, all those things from the floor catching on to this product. Why would anybody buy this now? It looks like, not only used, it looks like somebody just didn't care about it, just like threw it on the floor. And guess what? That was him. So would somebody buy this product? Unlikely as well. And the same theme goes out throughout every single one of his listings. And here we have, finally, he puts in a product for a whooping $125 and $8.85. So that's a smart thing for him to do. Now he's gonna get his money, and this one is an IB. So yes, this is new in the box. Is it new inside the box? I'm not too sure about that, but yes, he did the titles. Everything else looks much more decent. He's working out there. He's doing his job. He's doing a little bit better in this specific listing than the previous ones. But definitely, when you're doing something like this, it's not good. It's not gonna get you the money you want. And here's a potential really bad listing here. The first picture looks like a stock photo because it is a stock photo. And the second picture is another stock photo. Here is the actual product, which should have been the first picture. And using your door handle, I mean, if you have no choice, yes, you should be using something, anything, but get Photoshop, zoom into this product, get rid of the door handle, get rid of this thing on the side, make it look more professional, spend more time on the listing, and you're gonna get rewarded. You're gonna get more money. Don't just like throw things out there. He has so many products over here that he's not paying attention to. He's just throwing listings without going through and making the best possible presentation for them. Because when the buyer comes in and they want to buy something, they want to pay for it. They are shopping for a bargain, they're shopping for a deal, they're looking for something that looks good, and a lot of those listings make you think twice. You're not sure if you want to buy this. And because of that, you're not going to get the sales. And the thing is, the funny thing is, he's specializing in clothes too. So if you're selling a lot of clothes, as you keep on selling and go along with the same theme, you want to get better in the listings. And here is some shade. You can see the shade right here when he took the picture. And it's just like, why would you do this? You just not been paying attention when you took a picture. There's some black on the side, and here's the shade once again. Didn't even bother to go ahead and clean your merchandise. You can see the stuff on it. You could have went in and took this out. There's no reason for you to have those white stickers there. Just wash the stuff in. And this is new with tags. So if this is new with tags, why doesn't look new to me? It looks like it was used. So this is like a product that is not as described. This is when people ship their stuff back to you, because if it says new with tags, why does it have damage on the shoes, and the shoes look like somebody actually used them? You see, this is the kind of amateur mistakes that people actually do in the listings, but they don't pay attention to the small little details that make the seller experience so much better. So what can we learn from this? Do not use the floor as your background. Take more pictures. Presentation is everything, including the description. right here, there's just not enough keywords, not enough description in the item. There was a lot of mistakes that have been made in those listings, constantly mistakes that are not giving you the prices. There is a huge discrepancy between the price points from very expensive products to very cheap. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but the bad thing is that the niche and the way he's selling is all over the place. The background, the photography is just terrible. And the items are not as described, and that actually will get him lots of returns too. He's not doing this bad when it comes to feedback. You can see right here, he has one feedback. Cancel the item after purchase and payment, not serious. So one issue, which is not bad, he doesn't have negatives, neutrals, so he's not doing a bad job selling it. But he is just not getting the money that he deserves in these listings, which is why experience, which is why getting better all the time and focus on making every listing the best you can, because all your money you're going to be getting, the big money is coming from attention to details, not really by putting a lot of products. Because if you put a lot of products and you don't pay attention, then you are losing money on every single sale, where in reality you could have made big cash, and he could have probably made 10 times more money on the stuff he's selling, because there is so much low-end transactions, there is a lot of low-end things that he is actually listing and selling, and he probably has better merchandise to sell. So the stuff that is low-end, a lot of times it might not be even worth to put on sale. Furthermore, the low-end products, some of them probably could be sold for even more money than he is putting it up there, and that is another reason for it. So altogether, being the best at this game, learning from the mistakes and not keep repeating them over and over again is essential for this business to get better and better. So imagine now, if this guy goes over to 1,000 listings, eventually he has thousands of sales, and he keeps going with the same exact no good style, he's not going to be really getting up there in this business. I mean, he's going to make money, but he's not going to make the big money. And that is the big difference between amateur and professional. When you become a professional, you learn a lot of things. And you want to learn from every sale. You want to get better and better at this business. And the better you get, the more money you're going to be making.